talked to the team before the game. I told them, okay, we're 2-0 and they're 0-2. Okay, and they're not being regarded as a strong team. But I reminded them, okay, that's exactly our position as well. Okay, we could have, we might have won our first 2 games, but that's what really we're in here for. Okay, we're going to sacrifice a lot. We're going to be committed, and we're going to fight together just so we could be somebody's after this when the day is done. And I told them that Wellcoat is a tough team. They've got 2 imports. They've got a good crop of locals, and they've got a good the coach taking care of them. So we can't take anybody lightly. And sure enough, Wellcoat played, and I'm just glad that we got lucky in the end. Wala. We just, si G kasi hardly worked out with us eh. He just arrived, we just got to practice with the team yesterday, and we thought it's best for everybody. You know, he just arrived yesterday, he's jet lag and all, he's tired from, I think, a 20-hour trip, and he just came off our tournament in Sweden, and I thought it was in everybody's interest that we just keep him at the sidelines first. Okay, it's going to be very good for G because he gets the rest that he needs without the pressure of having to play and prove himself right away. And I thought it's going to be good as well for the team because we don't want to, have to size each other up during the game. And so we decided not to put him in the lineup first. Yeah, hopefully he gets to play on Sunday. No, si Cage was operated on last week, last Wednesday, and he's definitely going to be out for 2 months. But having gotten hurt while fighting for Coke, we were committed on making sure he gets the best medical attention and that we take care of him until he recovers. Everything that happens between now and then is definitely up in the air. If he is definitely going to be a good option for us. Naka-reserve siya. We're going to keep him here. We're going to make sure he recovers. He's going to, again, as I've said, he's definitely going to be a good backup option for us. But more importantly, Calvin is 23 years old, and he's got a lot of basketball ahead of him. And more than making sure that we have a good backup, we're committed to making sure that we help him as far as his recovery is concerned, because he's got a whole basketball future ahead of him. Well, we wanted to. I thought our zone clicked for us. I thought we were struggling staying in front of them. The lanes were wide open because their bigs are shooters, and so the lanes were wide open, and so we decided to zone. And I thought for the most part our zone worked for us. But we just took advantage of that one foul to give. I thought that we gave it up too early though. But yeah, the mindset was just to make sure nobody gets to the basket and everybody and every spot is covered. That's why we zoned in the end. You were in the zone at that stage. Nung last play, it was yeah.
Coach, last kayo ng last game mo?
Air 21 ata. Air 21 on Sunday. Another team that hasn't won yet. No? They're another team that hasn't won yet. Okay, but they're definitely a tough team, and they've got a very good import. And that's the beauty of this conference. I really believe that everybody could come in and compete with any other team, and you really never know what happens.